Okay, so the Brute ran yesterday at 55 miles, about 70% throttle. It was not bad. After that it would bog down. Today won't even start. So that's it, I'm done. Should have quit this a long time ago, but this thing is going for parts. So it's got a new rebuilt motor in it. The carbs are shot, obviously. So I'm going to take a few things off of this, but it's going to be going for parts. So I'm going to take a big hit on this one, obviously, but it's just I'm fed up with it. 5 months of playing with it, trying to get it to be the perfect machine. So maybe somebody else can do something with it, but I'm done. That's it. On to the next one.